Welcome to Manavis, a blog for men's interests, fashion, and lifestyle. Today's topic is how to become a morning person in short time. Are you one of those who wants to wake up early in the morning and wants to become a morning person? On the other hand, you always find it difficult to get up early. If yes, then no need to worry anymore. I am here to help you. Find some science-backed tips by sleep experts that will help you to learn how to wake up early in the morning without feeling tired. Give rest to your alarm clock and forget about setting the alarm every day. Follow these easy and simple but proven tips for training yourself to wake up on time. First, to start with small steps, like increasing alarm time gradually in alternative days, or decreasing afternoon nap time. There are several habits that you can change and start a journey to become a morning person. Second, follow our SEUP method. Experts use this method to treat sleeping disorder. This method also can be used by you to get up early. For more information, follow us and wait for our next video. Third, set a consistent sleep schedule. Stay on a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, including weekends, to keep your body's internal clock in balance. Fourth, limit screen time before bed. Set up designated no phone time before bed. Stop using your phone or any other screen for at least an hour before bed. Fifth and last, find your motivation. If you don't have motivation or reason to wake up early in the morning, this is going to be failed. You must find a strong motivation to encourage you. I hope this video showed you how to wake up early in the morning. Since you have learned how to wake up early in the morning, now I want to turn it over to you. Write, comment, and let us know your views or suggestions. Thank you for watching.